Just step on that little Blackfoot prop there. Okay. Jump your behindy on in. Now these seat belts kind of are all or nothing. All right, clear prop.
Traffic Skyline 80 Papa Echo, taxiing the run-up area 18 Preston. All right, put your feet on the pedals, heels on the floor. The way you steer an airplane is rudder pedal. See what I'm doing? Right. Yeah, this does nothing. All right, so I'm gonna slow us down here. All right, see if you can steer us. And we're gonna turn left right here on this taxiway. All right, now keep us on the center line there. Hit it. Get us right. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Put your feet up a little bit. There you go. Where you got a little more control. All right. Watch what you're doing. There you go. All right. And just kind of play with it. Dance with it a little bit. There you go. Getting the feel of it now? A little bit. I anticipate you turning. Yeah, a little bit. Once you kind of get it going, though, you can pretty much keep it straight, keep it off the bumpers there. So stay just right to that yellow line if you can, or the other right. Right. There you go.
Preston 0 Papa Echo. Is it okay if I go in front of you?
Yeah, go ahead.
I thought you were doing your run-up. You can go.
No, we're fine. We were just getting ready to stage. You're fine if you're already done.
Okay, thanks.
This on right on nose canceling. Yep. What I do is I just put this like right back in there. Okay.
Preston 60 Echo, departing runway 18.
Them get on in the air good there. Ruston traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, taking off 18 Ruston. All right, instruments are green. Airspeed's alive. Rotate. As it rates, flaps up.
Preston 60 Echo on downwind to 18 Ruston.
Low cloud cover here I wasn't quite expecting.
Preston 60 Echo on final to 18 Ruston.
Might be a hole here to pop up through these clouds.
That's very strong. 2 limit tankers 8 miles to the south. East maneuvering 3,000 knots.
Now the temperature's dropping as we climb.
Preston 60 Echo, clear runway 18 Ruston.
It's at the real low cloud cover. Wasn't expecting it, but we had a nice hole to pop up in. So this is what we call kind of like BFR on top. You can fly above the clouds on BFR as long as you maintain the proper clearance between the clouds. The problem is if the holes close up, then you got to get a pop-up IFR to land on. All right, this is a MOA right here. We don't want to go into that. That's military operating area. Okay. Isn't it gorgeous up here with the clouds like this?
Blue knob adjusts the pitch on the
prop. Right.
Okay. Full reach right now, right?
And you don't start leaning until you get about 3,000 feet.
Okay.
And then it's really not a whole lot. So right now we're only running 330 degrees. I like to keep my cylinder head temperatures below 380. 385 is fine.
Those 3 high ones are the back ones.
Yeah, these are each of the cylinders, so some of them get a little hotter than others.
From the airport.
Ain't gonna be much to see with all the cloud cover. Although I love flying on top of the clouds.
Yeah. It's gonna make a big difference. 7,542 to east coast. Good morning, Tyler. Morning, Cade. One of them GPS. I mean, exactly.
But Tango 10 miles southeast, maneuvering 3,000 under tower information. November 3530 Zulu.
What's that now? Your ground speed, is that from GPS or is that? Yeah, that's GPS.
Okay. Due west, I guess.
Almost due west, yeah. Ahead, looks like the clouds thin out up that way a little bit.
Is that the max ceiling run on this plane?
Well, we don't have oxygen, so really 12,500, but I mean, it could go up to 18. It gets pretty sluggish up there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get us on out of these clouds here. Even though it's pretty, the fear is we'll get caught on top here. Won't be able to get down. It'll be a little bumpier down here. You know how smooth it was when we got above them, right? All right. Take the controls. Just a light handle. That's all you need. One hand is really all you need.
Okay.
It's just like driving a car. Okay. I've got us about trimmed out here.
Okay.
So to bank, you just give it a little light pressure here, and we'll bank. But then you got to use the rudder pedals to keep that kind of centered, right? I'll do the rudder pedals for now. Okay. And they kind of get you going here. We can. This did not end up being a nice day for flying. These clouds would burn off a little bit before now.
Traffic 964 Lima Tango, downwind runway 18 round.
That radio antenna right in front of us. It's gonna be off here. Be off your right window there. Right below us. Be right below us. You see the top of it.
Yeah, I see.
It's the only bad thing about flying low. You got to look out for those things.
Yeah, cell top.
Be the university there in front of us.
Yeah.
It's I-20 coming up on top of it. Well, I don't know about you, but we go ahead and land and
that's fine.
do this another day.
Okay.
At least got you up, let you fly a little bit.
Ruston traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo is forward to the east, going across midfield and a left downwind for 18 full stop Ruston.
That's fine. Cause I mean, I got a feel for it, kind of.
Ruston traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo is 1 mile to the west, going to cross midfield, enter left downwind for 18 full stop Ruston.
Ruston traffic 964 Lima Tango, base runway 18 Ruston.
He's on base. Look out for him. I see him right there.
Ruston traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo at midfield, going to enter left downwind 18 full stop Ruston, and we got that base traffic inside.
Ruston traffic 964 Lima Tango, final runway 18 full stop Ruston.
Him on short final, getting ready to land. Right there. Almost over the end of the runway there.
Ruston traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo, turning left base, 18, full stop, Ruston.
Jeff at 964 Limit Tango, clear the active at Alpha 2, taxi back for Ruston.
Ruston traffic, Skylane 80 Pop Echo, base, the final, 18, full stop, Ruston.
There's a greaser. Go ahead and open up your conditioner.
Okay. Ruston traffic, Skylark 6 Limit Tango, 45 left downline 18. Touch okay, Ruston.
Try taxiing again. Oh, okay. Follow this yellow line. Got it. Hit it hard. Full right. Right. More, a little more. There you go. Straighten it up.
Ruston traffic, Skylane 80 Pop Echo, clear, 18, taxiing to the ramp, Ruston.
Well, he's getting ready to take a nice ride.
Traffic, Skyhawk 2 Limit Tango, 6 miles southeast, clearing 1,100.
Gulfstream. There,
Yeah.
give us a little left there.
Okay. My feet are off.
Oh, okay. I thought you was still doing it.
I was till I just
Till you wasn't.
don't want to run in. Ruston traffic, Skylark 6 Limit Tango, final 18, full stop, Ruston.
What you think?
Yeah, cool run.
Well, good deal. Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you.
Well, we'll do it again when it's a little bit better days. These clouds kind
Yeah.
of rolled in on us a little worse than I expected here.
Back up here.